mixed up. This man, Balthazar Ebangegonga of Equatorial Guinea, was not arrested because of all those knacking tapes. This man was arrested because in his office, they were suspecting him of being fraudulent. So they carried out the investigation, and the investigation led them to his house. While they were looking for evidence, document, and everything to prove that he was fraudulent, that was when they came across those tapes. Those over 300 or something tapes. Now, a lot of things, men, especially men, will need to learn from this thing. If you watch those videos, like me, I get over 80 of the videos, right? If you watch those videos, none of those women were forced. None of them were forced. None of them were minors. As a matter of fact, some of those videos, now the women, they even adjust the camera. They look the camera face, they laugh. Those were people's wives, the president's daughter, people's wife, people pregnant wife. Do you understand? There was no jazz, there was nothing. And before you think the man is using his influence of his political office, or is using influence of maybe he has money to knock all those people, it's not true. Because the Attorney General of the Federation wife did it. So if you knock the Attorney General of the Federation wife, that one will go get money, obviously. President's sister, the president's daughter did it. In that one, the IG of their police did it. So it's not influence or it's not money. These women were willingly giving their kwekus to this man. Do you understand? It's seek consent 100%. Why? If you go deeper, you see men, a lot of them will just marry wife and I'll keep for house and I'll go neglect them and I'll bring money for food, give them money for school fees, maybe they don't buy clothes. If you say that the only thing where women need, women like attention, they need attention, give them attention. I'm pretty sure that that man saw the loopholes of their husbands and immediately he proposed all those things to those women. They were okay. They were happy. The camera did their face. They didn't care if this video will ever come out. They spread leg. Some of them are then carry their own saliva, put for the toto, for the guy. Yes. The one will even get belelo sent. See those ones for in office, about 4 for in office, 2 get belle, 1 for in office. They look the camera. They don't care. Me, the person who I even pity for all these things, now the man wife. To think they knock all those women without CD. You go come and call see knocking wife. That's number 1. Number 2, everybody they talk about only this guy video, but this particular woman video, I want video alone. It passed like 15 of different women. Now only another one of one man, and I think the other man was her husband. She has the same video with her husband, where she get with this man. Every other one this woman has is with different women, young girls, older women and all. She could just carry them, who? Suck to. Carry them, who? Suck to. This one, or she go the suck person to. Or there go be like 4 for inside the room. 3 go the suck her own, or she go the suck the 3 own. She had her own phase. I don't know why now only this man who know they see. But I guess, okay, yes, because of the man public office. Man, stop neglecting your wives. This is the internet generation. Unlike before where it go hard for somebody to meet your wife, this is internet. Small thing, they don't start to the chat. If the guy they said jeans, your wife will say she want order jeans for you. Next thing, maybe through she want order jeans. The guy don't start to hype your wife. Oh, your wife look, oh, you look beautiful. I'm sure your husband is treating you well. Next thing, you don't start to the talk. Next thing, you never know. Because you are nowhere to be found. Because ask yourself a question right now. How were these women so comfortable with their husbands at home? They were so comfortable to be doing all this. If you check out well, even their husbands are guilty of the same thing these women are doing in that video. But it still doesn't justify anything. If I thought say you no go shame for your husband, shame for your children. If I thought say you no go shame for your wife, shame for your children. It's just an embarrassment. But for me, this guy did not commit any crime at all. The only one where pay me is the crime against, oh my goodness, crime against moral and principle. The one where knock him brother wife, give him ballistic, get picking inside him brother children. That is the craziest of them all. Every other one is just there. Your own blood brother. In pastor, wife and all those other people. But you see that his brother's own? Nah. Crazy. I said the videos plenty for my hand and they look them and say, wow. Anyways, it is what it is. You better take care of your wife, give your wife attention. Else, Balthazar Ebanga Gonga is going to make her learn. And she might learn the hard way while smiling on the camera. Peace and love. Don't play.
Oga, shut up, you dey crazy. Say it's not by big prick, it's by big prick. Those women will go meet that Guinea man. They went there for big prick. Not disrespect that big prick. You dey hear me? You think say small prick, they make noise inside Toto. Small prick, not they do sound for Toto, Oga. Well, that do not confuse me. You feel confuse yourself. 91.7% of women say big prick matters. You dey hear me? I don't know where you foresee your percentage. You see the tiny percentage where the male of women will like small prick. You feel go call meeting, may you talk to them. You see the rest of us on this side, eh? Okay, you cannot confuse us. Size matters a lot when it comes to woman toto. You see some of them will go just say, just do this thing like this, do one. Sometimes we need prick to the enter you. They hear cho, cho, cho. Small prick, not they make noise. You they hear me so? If you get small prick, we not they judge you at all. You feel keep am to yourself. You not be woman. You not get toto, oga. Not make me vex, I beg. You dey hear me so? I no prick inside and out. And you no fit tell me say, oh, even small one, shut up your mouth. 91.7% of women say correct good size of prick matters for toto. Where you see your you get toto. Why oga, you don't do yeah, take bomawa because of prick. You dey hear me? No confuse me. And many of una where they go, they gum another man video, they join that man prick. Mona not disrespect that prick. That prick na iconic prick. Not trying, I know that man prick. Not add other videos join her. Remove her. Very dirty video. All those small prick when I go they add join her. We know that man prick. That man prick special. If you won't cry, cry. That man satisfies so many women. You dey hear me? Where their husband not if you open their leg for us. Many of those women, their husband will kuku just come for walking, go saying tire. Then they find bread, they go there. They find whatever it is, they go for outside. Not disrespect that prick. Like you say, what is this wrong? Go and talk to your wife. Now your wife open toto for her. All of them willingly collect that prick. Willingly. Very intimate. Then they kiss join her. Then they turn neck 360. They look the man for back. Many of those women sit down on top that prick. Many swallow the prick. See, Mona not make me vex. Not trying. You see that prick. If I come from Guinea, I'll go paper like this. Justice for that man. Make many women happy. Since you not feel raise your wife leg, you not see the one way sit down for table. You see the way prick they make chop, chop, chop inside toto. You think a small prick they make that sound inside toto. See, it don't do for you. It don't do. Those women went there for the size of the prick. The way they make come out for it don't do. Keep your small prick to yourself. We don't need it. You see the other small percentage. I say, may you go call meeting. May you gather them. May you talk to them. The rest of us for this side, we are not interested. Big prick where they make sound. Small prick, not they make sound for toto. Maybe you never hear. And no prick inside and out. Small prick, not they make that type of sound for toto. You dey hear me so? Maybe you say toto be like this. Go find person where toto be like this. Our men are gifted. Any woman will use better prick, take open road for toto. They will tell you what they tell you. So you hear me? Except you want to tell me say our men are not gifted. Is that what you're saying? I better get up more for all my past. Go meet Chinese women. Go meet them. If you get that size, go meet them. They day like that. Not be us for this side. Our men are gifted. You dey hear what? I beg, not disrespect that prick. I don't want, many of you men in security, the water now. More than not throw teeth, give that man prick.